Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to connect Razorpay to Shopify. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what do we need to do is head over to our settings from the bottom left side of our screen. In here you need to head over to your payments. Now of course Razorpay is one of the payment methods that we can add into Shopify. Click on this payments option and it will allow the users to pay using Razorpay. Then you can see under additional payment methods we already have PayPal added. We need to click on this add a payment method. To click on that, now you need to search in here for Razorpay and simply search in here for that. Apparently it should be visible in here. You can also search it by provider, so it should be, if it is available at your region in your country, it should be showing up in your payments. So make sure to give it a try. Currently I have added PayPal. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.